After B.Tech, so many students feel confused. Should I learn coding? Should I prepare for government job? Or should I go to networking? Today, I will tell you whether doing CCNA after B.Tech is what will be the salary, and can you expect as a fresher, and also whether you can get the overseas opportunities. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Ravish. If you want to build your career in networking, cloud computing and cybersecurity, this channel will help you to understand everything in a simple language. Now first let's understand what is the CCNA. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It is one of the most recognized certification in the networking. Through CCNA, you can learn the fundamental concept of networking such as IP addressing and subnetting, VLAN and switching, routing protocols like OSPF, network security basic troubleshooting, network problems. So these are the skills that every network engineer must know. Now, let's talk about the B.Tech students. So many B.Tech students graduate have theoretical knowledge, but they have lack of practical skills. Companies expect candidates to understand the real networking environment. CCNA helps you to develop those practical skills because you can learn how router and switches actually work in real network. Once you understand the networking fundamentals, you can easily move to advanced fields like cloud computing, AWS or Azure, cybersecurity, CEH, network automation and programmability, data center networking. Now let's talk about one of the most important questions, that what will be the salary. As a fresher with CCNA certification, the starting roles usually include the network support engineer, NOC engineer, network administrator, tech support engineer in India. The average fresher salary usually ranges between 2.5 to 5 LPA. If you have strong practical knowledge and lab experience, some companies can offer 5 to 7 LPA as a fresher also. And after gaining 2 to 3 years of experience, it may be 8 to 12 to 15 lakh per year. And also depends on your skill and certification. Now, let's talk about the overseas opportunity, the global opportunities in the networking technology. Let's talk about the UAE, Canada, Australia, Germany, Singapore, US. These countries have really high demand for the network engineers. If you have an experience between 3 to 5 years and also having the certification like CCNP and cloud computing, you can apply for the international jobs. For example, in the UAE, the network engineers are around 8 to 15,000 AED per month. In Canada, the salaries can be range 60 to 90,000 Canadian dollar per year. In the same way, the Australia can earn up to 70 to 100k AUD annually. So CCNA is just the starting point where you can upgrade your skill with CCNP, AWS or Microsoft Azure, cybersecurity certification, Linux. When you can combine the networking with cloud or security, so your demand will be high in the industry significantly. Now, let's talk about one of the most important thing to remember in the certification. Alone, you will not guarantee a job. You must focus over practical labs, understanding the configuration, learn troubleshooting and real-time scenario, which helps in companies or enterprises. So, if you are a B.Tech graduate and interested in networking, CCNA is the best option to start the career. It provides a strong networking foundation, good entry-level salaries and opportunities with the international countries, international companies also. Have a nice day, everyone.